What's up, guys? Welcome to Financierpro YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys for being here. This is a personal finance channel, credit, everything dealing with business, what's going on in the world as far as business, technology, business, personal finance, credit, things like that. I hope you enjoy yourself here. I hope you can add to the channel as well. I am an author and I have several books I've published, and I love knowledge, and I think that personal finance is a part of us as far as the air is just like the air we breathe. That's how important personal finance and credit is to me in my life, I believe. So I want you to enjoy yourselves. Let's conversate. Let's network. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think. How can I improve? I'm not a big editing person, so one day hopefully I have a team of editors. But thank you. Welcome to the channel, and hope to see you guys in the comment section.